Deputy of Tibetan Parliament in Exile, Thubten Wangchen is here also in Paris. It was for the discussion about Tibetan culture and UNESCO, isn't it?
Yes, I was invited to participate this special festival, Himalayans, and also to participate a little bit on the discussion on how important the Tibetan culture and how to preserve and promote our rich cultural heritage of Tibet.
So do you like this festival?
Yeah, really wonderful. It's really the weather accompanied the very nice weather in Paris, and then many people coming and many young Tibetans and many French people supporting and friends moving all the time here and there and participating in different events. I think it's great, you know. And only the problem is inside Tibet. Inside Tibet the problem, but outside where we are living in a free country, there's no any problem. So I think Tibetans are doing okay, and then many supporters are trying to support. So everything's okay. So we hope that the critical, dramatic situation of Tibet will finish soon. This is our hope, and yes, we all need to work together. And Tibet needs Western supporters, and also Western supporters can get some collaboration or better understanding through the Buddhist philosophy and Tibetan culture to be a better life.
Thank you. 知己，中原道中门给知道叫我知己，中原没给叫我道没叫我知己，一里车大地大这位大我养老的不着急。叫我到这边知道叫我知己，中原道中门给知道叫我知己，中原没给叫我道没叫我知己，一里车大地大这位大我养老的不着急。